I literally just washed my car 2 days ago. So today we're gonna head over to Seth's house. He has a bunch of friends that rent out an Airstrip and race exotic cars all day. And he ever so nicely invited me to come with him today. Unfortunately, I can't bring my car, but his should be close enough, you know, give or take like 100, 150 horsepower. I'm looking forward to see what he does up against like a Lamborghini or an upgraded GTR or something. But yeah, let's get the cold start and head over there. Big racetrack guy today. On a very tight schedule, he's panicking. I don't know if we're gonna make it, bro. It's always so fucking weird sitting in a passenger seat in this car, bro. It's like sitting in my own car.
We're gonna be late.
Yeah, it's late, man.
Because they're like, we're leaving 8:45. Yeah.
It's a nice chilly morning.
Chilly is fucking right.
Are you gonna gap some McLarens today?
I hope so. Oh, it's fucking 46. That's why. Holy shit.
You got fucking little icicles.
I'm fucking dying.
It's a great day to hit 200 on a fucking race, bro. Rear wheel drive car, gonna be full pucker.
26 PSI, baby. You're gonna fucking die around one of these corners. It's wet, it's cold. Man, I'm horny.
A few moments later.
That's stock?
Trevor's on big what?
This?
606? Yeah.
Bro, that shit sounds fucking insane stock. So yeah, we are in the middle of nowhere. About to go to a different middle of nowhere.
Well, so actually, you're one middle of nowhere short. We're in the middle of nowhere, going to middle of nowhere, and then from there we actually go to the middle of nowhere.
OD, GT3RS. Damn, dog. NSX, GTR, R8. Damn. The Veloster. Big Lambo guy. What is that, RS3? Damn. You could cap them all.
I could.
All of them.
I wish.
The Lambo, the R8. All right, maybe not the R8.
We'll see. They hook better.
The Hawkman himself has arrived. Let's sneak up on him. All right, so since the last time we snuck up on him at a car meet, he's since got a 411 and a whole bunch of other things. So he was making like 1,000 to the wheel before with the stock motor, stock blower. My guess is he's making like 1,200-1,300 now.
That shit is so cold.
Bro, he got the chiller. I'm telling Seth, bro, you gotta get the chiller. Don't sleep. The horniest hawk on the East Coast got one. Weightless man.
We used to fill that shit, and we'd still smoke people.
Bro, the arrow on this thing, the fitment, shit is crazy. And now we go to another middle of nowhere.
Now we go to the actual middle of nowhere.
Yes. This is such an interesting mix of cars. It's like GTR, Lambo, G80, Veloster. Hanging in the back with the GTR and the Ferrari something.
1 hour later.
We're now in the middle of nowhere.
Actually,
Like dead ass in the middle of nowhere.
you'll see, like over there on the road, people will stop and just watch.
Seth is hitting 200 today.
I probably could hit 200. I'm scared.
What's the fastest you went in this?
Speed limit.
In all reality, you should be able to beat a Lamborghini.
I know, but they have all-wheel drive. That's gonna be the huge advantage.
Y'all don't do rolls?
We do.
Digs?
We do. Yeah, but it's like a 20 mile per hour roll. We need like a 40 roll.
Fastest car here today is definitely gonna be the fucking Trackhawk. Second fastest is probably gonna be
Maybe the silver GTR.
that G80's fucked with. That might be mad fast too. Them fucking things make power so easy, bro. I don't think my car would have fit in here. It's a little too loud. Fucking my shit coming in here.
Should be screaming.
Hi everyone, I'm Seth's friend. Start two-stepping.
We bought a custom traffic signal. So we're gonna have red, yellow, green down there. It's remote controlled, no more flag waving or anything like that. So that's how we're gonna start the race. It's gonna be on red when you get down there. Once the cars are set, it's gonna go yellow. Start rolling. You know, you wanna get into that RPM range where you can hit it and just take right off. If you do spin, let off. You know, we're not here to leave marks on the runway. We're not here to, it's not a takeover or anything like that. If you do spin, let out of it. Let the guy down here know in the middle. If you want to run the race again, we can run it again. There's no egos here. I mean, has anybody been here that has won every single race? For anybody that's new, like, don't worry about it. If you do spin, we can run the race again. There's, you know, we got a long day. There's a lot of races you can get in. It's cheating.
It's coming out.
leaves off of there for us. He is. It's legit what he's doing.
Rich man.
Bro brought the helicopter.
Bro brought the helicopter to the 40 roll. All right, I don't know any of these people, and I'm trying not to be a weirdo with a camera that's just here, but I'm gonna see what I can get. Looks like the first race is gonna be a GTR versus a Lamborghini. To hop in, or you want weight reduction?
Yeah, I'm gonna smoke it anyway. Shit needs to fucking heat up, bro.
Seth is nervous right now.
Yeah, because I don't want to floor it when it's not a fucking...
I'll be fucking whomping on my shit when it's cold, bro. It don't matter.
I'm gonna have to fucking pussyfoot this shit.
On yellow, start rolling. Green, launch it. Heard?
Windows up or down? That doesn't matter.
What do you mean?
No.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
These brakes work. Just left my fucking nuts at the fucking finish line, bro. Shit.
That's what I'm telling you. Don't do the conversion.
Yeah, we had a discussion this morning about a 15-inch conversion for my car. It makes the braking way shittier, so I don't know if I'm gonna go through with it. Seth is very nervous right now, shaking in his boots.
NSX? Then I'm going against this GTR.
NSXs are fast, bro. They're fucking hybrid.
Where you from? Portsmouth area?
The undisputed 99-time world champion, fastest track hawk on the eastern seaboard. selfie cam.
Gotta get the front shot.
Second heat, third something. I forget what number race this is, but what are you about to race?
The Veloster.
It doesn't look like I lose so bad.
I got you, bro. I got you. Not that bad.
Against the GTR?
Yeah. Upgraded turbos and full bolt-on and all that.
I know.
Not good enough. What does he make? Did he tell you?
Mid-sevens.
Yeah, but
Okay.
Bro, in a GTR, turbo on a roll is way different than supercharged. You're making mid-sevens, and he's making mid-sevens, and it was like that, then, bro. If that's
yeah,
really
spun a lot too.
if that's really an upgraded turbo fucking GTR, bro, I would obliterate them. Bad.
You're saying I'm,
Yes,
I'm
yes.
probably where I was supposed
Yes.
to be.
The B's back for broke.
Ready?
Yeah, your green or his green?
That might have been a tie.
I'm gonna go up here because they're gonna take a picture up here.
Bro, this is about to be thumbnail of the year. Like Seth rented out a racetrack.
Yeah.
Seth's dad.
Seth sold the ZL1 for the year.
The helicopter's fucking racing a car? No shot. Seth is living his dream right now.
I am. No one won that process. Look at his valves.
Did you pee a little bit?
Did a little more than pee.
Did it meet your expectations?
Did it meet your expectations? You're the guest.
Incredibly met.
I'm
Astoundingly met. This was almost as good as a takeover meet.
That's what?
I said this is almost as good as a takeover meet.